hi guys and welcome to our channel. Today is very chilly, you can see, but as usual we have a task for you guys. We are going to the industrial area in Nairobi. We have one truck that has a bent chassis, so we need to go and disassemble and dismantle the engine, the radiator, the intercooler, the gearbox, the propeller shaft and the diff, so that we remain with the chassis alone. I'm not sure if we'll remove the cabin, but we might. Then the chassis is supposed to be straightened and reinforced. Then we will fit back the removed components. So let's get there. Hope the truck is somewhere that has a shade because it's really chilly. It's raining. This is our winter here. Very cold. So we have already removed the radiator and the intercooler. We now want to remove the engine. Gearbox. The PTO system has already been removed. The propeller shaft. The truck had an accident. As you can see, the mounting has cracked. There's the flange for the diff. Buen día. Sasa tukose watu tuko busy. Sijadi. Na Mungu. Nini pana haja na hawa?
hydraulic jack है और फुल करेगा तो और बिना लगा बंदा काफी फोर्स ना लगे और स्क्रैप पर है बिना ना वो तो राइट ऑफ हुई वो हम क्लेम नहीं पा रहे उन्हें अपने इंश्योरेंस को साला जिंगा या कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इंश्योरेंस था हाँ वो उन्हें तक इंश्योरेंस का है ही नहीं अपना थर्ड पार्टी का
Fuko.
Kazi kishikaga tu
bwana. Sio kajemi